In this video, we'll take a look at how you can customize the mobile app's navigation menus for different teams using Casa. The navigation menus refer to the bottom menu displayed here, and the side menu displayed once you tap the hamburger menu. By customizing them, you can personalize your user's navigation experience and remove irrelevant tabs from the menu. For example, you can increase field sales users' efficiency by adding tabs like My Trips to show the fastest routes to the lead's location, and Near Me to find leads nearby on the bottom menu. Now let's look at how you can customize your navigation menus. Under Apps, click here to navigate to Casa. Open Menu Builder. Now, click here. On this page, you can customize the mobile app's bottom and side navigation menu. First, let's customize the bottom menu. The visible menu tabs are those that are already available on the menu. Click here to remove the tabs from the menu, and click here to add them. To add custom menu tabs, click here. With custom menu tabs, you can navigate to an external URL. You can also add smart views as tabs here. Enter the relevant details and click Save. Once you save custom tabs, you can edit or delete them using these icons. You can add up to 4 tabs in the bottom menu. To rearrange the tabs, drag and drop them in the desired order. To customize your side menu, click here. You can follow the same steps to customize this menu as well. You can see a preview of how your menu would look over here. Once you're done, click Publish. You can set this as the default menu, or you can assign it to specific teams here. The menus you've created will be displayed on this page. From here, you can edit, clone, delete, or unpublish the menu. Once you've published the menu and assigned it to a team, your users will be able to see it on the mobile app. Thank you.